welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Newly switched over English primary schools refer Konkani textbooks as base for English. Schools facing textbooks crunch. Situation to continue for at least 15 more days. G.C.A. bans Ganeshraj Narvekar from cricket for 6 years for age and name forgery under BCCI guidelines. Ganeshraj cannot appeal, says President Vinod Phadke. Elections on 22nd July for new G.C.A. committee. Dr. Shekhar Salkar demands 30 sports marks allotted to Ganeshraj Narvekar be withdrawn. Marks allotted as he played for Ranji. Dr. Salkar claims to have presented fake birth certificate. Delhi police arrest 26/11 terror attack suspect Abu Hamza. Abu is one of the 6 Pakistan-based handlers in terror attack in Mumbai. Abu Hamza remanded to police custody for 15 days. And youngsters can now eat cricket, sleep cricket and breathe cricket as Goa Cricket Association opens residential academy for under 14 and under 16 boys. Now the news in detail. Newly switched over English primary schools have started referring Konkani textbooks as a base for English as the schools are facing shortage of English textbooks. Officials say that due to sudden increase in number of English primary schools, most of the schools have not received textbooks. It may take another fortnight to deliver English textbooks to the schools.
Deputy Director of Education Department Anil Pawar says that they had to publish more English textbooks due to the sudden increase in number of English primary schools post new MOI policy. Surprisingly, as a stopgap arrangement, teachers in English primary schools have started teaching in English using Konkani textbooks as their base. Director of SCERT Nagraj Honikeri says there is no shortage of books. He says that as the cabinet decision of the government on MOI was delayed, hence the demand for textbooks of the newly switched over primary schools to English could not be met within short time. 5,000 textbooks have been delivered to the market, but delivery of remaining books will take another 15 days. Education department officials are right now in a confused state of mind as to how are the Konkani books being referred to teach English. Overall confusion has led to a delay and chaos at academic level in primary schools. Our reporter from Panaji Pratik Parab with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Ganeshraj alias Anish Narvekar has been banned for 6 years from all G.C.A. and BCCI tournaments. Akbar Mullah's investigation report proved former President Vinod Narvekar's son guilty on several counts, and as such, the Goa Cricket Association's managing committee slapped a punishment of 6 years on the Ranji cricketer under BCCI's guidelines for age and name forgery. Meanwhile, G.C.A.'s managing committee has also decided elections for 2012-2015 committee will be conducted on 22nd July.
The writing was on the wall and many predicted a ban on Dayanand Narvekar's son, Ganeshraj alias Anish Narvekar, for having multiple birth certificates. Finally, the verdict is out and Ganeshraj has met his worst nightmare with this news. This is a terrible blow to Ganeshraj's cricket career.
The committee has recommended expulsion of Mr. Ganeshraj Narvekar from all the activities and participation of G.C.A. for 6 years. This includes participation in BCCI tournaments and all tournaments recognized by G.C.A. He is further banned from attending training camps. The investigation committee has found Mr. Ganeshraj Narvekar guilty in submitting fake and false birth certificate to participate in BCCI tournament under various names. Also, his parents, Mr. D.G. Narvekar and Mrs. Sushma Narvekar, have been guilty for forging certificate on the purpose and made serious malpractice. It has also been observed that he was instrumental in groupism, exerted influence on the team selected due to his father's control in the affairs of G.C.A.
Vinod Phadke says Ganeshraj would not enjoy the liberty to appeal his 6-year ban. However, the newly elected committee, which will take office post the 22nd July elections, could overturn the ban if they want.
This is done by Goa Cricket Association.
So it can be overturned by the new committee?
Who knows?
You are aware about the new committee which will come into force after 20.
Yeah.
We can't speak from somebody else's behalf, but I will tell you the facts of the investigation. This investigation was based on truth and evidence given by BCCI. The chairman Akbar Mullah had written to the Board of Conduct of Cricket Association that he has been appointed to investigate on these allegations. And BCCI has sent a 100-page compliance report to the chairman, which was routed to the office of G.C.A.
Akbar Mullah and Mayur Savkar have clarified the punishment has not been levied by their investigation committee.
But the 6 years period, it's not been put by you.
No, we cannot put that. We cannot put that. We have given recommendation. These are the findings. As per the findings, whatever decision, based on our reports, they will take the decision.
आमकां पावर ना तो पावर फकत गोवा क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन आहा आमी फकत इन्क्वायरी करून तांकां आमी सबमिट केला रिपोर्ट.
Okay, so in your inquiry, it is safe to say he was found guilty.
It definitely is. And the evidence is there. We have produced the evidence with the certificates, with the score sheets, with different name he has played, which year he has played. We got it from the BCCI under the letterhead. They have written to us. Goa Cricket Association has given. We have attached to our report. Everything is attached to our report.
Including
based on that report, yes.
Including we have submitted 2 birth certificates in different names. Okay. One is Ganeshraj Narvekar and the other is Anish.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
Meanwhile, Dr. Shekhar Salkar has demanded that 30 sports marks allotted to cricketer Ganeshraj Narvekar be cancelled. Former G.C.A. office bearer has made his plea before the Vigilance Department. Ganeshraj had requested to allot him 30 marks as he had played Ranji cricket. Dr. Salkar says his marks should be cancelled as he has presented a fabricated birth certificate. The case is under investigation at present.
Vigilance has a letter for they have formed a committee investigate into forged birth certificate of Ganeshraj Narvekar and the documents again submit karma. So today I have submitted all the documents to them, so they will do an internal inquiry. And let's see what happens out of this inquiry.
Dr. Salkar had initially informed the Education Department to cancel 30 marks allotted to Ganeshraj under the sports policy, but no action was initiated. After a changeover in the government, the Vigilance Department has taken up the case for investigation.
I had applied 1 year back to the Education Department on investigation करचे की ताजे मार्क घेतल्या 30 मार्क घेतल्या अंडर स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसी मिस्टर गणेशराज नार्वेकरान आणि ताणें सगळी फेक सर्टिफिकेटां दिल्या सो ताजें इन्वेस्टिगेशन करचें म्हणून 1 year back दिल्लें.
Dr. Salkar has submitted relevant documents to the Vigilance Department as evidence to assist in the investigation.
There was almost 89 clubs present actually, around 100 and plus life member actually. That means there was a tremendous response and the enthusiasm clubani the apple suggestion dili, it was really worth appreciating and we have accepted all those things. As a special committee jayala bangi boson ani kire talanchi suggestion ha clubanchi, that also can be taken care of. So I think finally democracy will prevail in Goa Cricket Association.
Our senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.